In today's video I will show you how to use a second display to increase display resolution. This was suggested via Discord, so make sure you join my Discord server. The link will be in the description. Also, I am using a laptop, so keep that in mind as we get into the video. So this is my normal screen. You can open this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting display setting. It is 1366 by 768, but using a second display, we can increase it to 1080p. If you have a monitor or a TV, you can use this to increase your resolution. Once you insert your HDMI into your laptop, you have to press Windows P and you will see the project options. While on duplicate, you should be able to increase your laptop resolution to 1080p if your screen supports it. Or, you can use it as a second display if you like. If your screen freezes, you might need more VRAM, so it is important to make sure you have enough before doing this. Don't forget to stay happy coding, and I'll see you next time.